Hey everyone! So today I have a tool to hopefully solve a problem for not just special education teachers, but also perhaps general education teachers as well. A common problem I have in my classroom is that a lot of what we do in middle school is too abstract. Students struggle to sort of figure out what's going on completely and understand material completely without that concrete sort of hands-on experience. A potential solution to this problem could be using VR to immerse students in experiences, whether that be science, technology, engineering, the arts, or math. So Nearpod has a pretty vast selection of different VR experiences. As you can see here on the bottom, they have field trips, college tours, different explorations, and their Ignite. If you go to their website, you have a ton of lessons. College Tours has 51, VR Explorations has 90, VR Field Trips has 274, and Ignite Lessons has 128. While incorporating VR doesn't necessarily have to be on Nearpod, it can be on whatever platform you so desire. I think that incorporating VR into not just education, but also special education is extremely important to give students that concrete understanding that they're looking for. So if we jump into the college tours section, this would be good for students, probably grades 11 and 12, who are interested in different colleges and universities and maybe need that hands-on experience to look at the campus, get comfortable with where they would potentially be visiting or applying. As you can see, there's a bunch of different colleges here, not just in the US, but also in different countries. This could also be good for looking at the different histories of these buildings. I'm not really a history major, but I'm sure that some of these buildings, especially like here, this building in England looks really old. That would be cool for perhaps engineering students or history students. Moving on to the exploration section, there's a ton of stuff here that could help students better understand what they're learning in history and science. You can see like exploring World War II, appealing to the senses, some science, just really incorporating what they're learning in class into like a real experience. So taking what they learn in like a textbook or a lecture and then applying it and giving it a picture to house in their brain. And then VR field trips, there's a bunch of like landmarks, different states, different countries, different events in history. And then we have some math, some more history, and some science. Again, giving students images in their head, giving them that experience in that mathematical lesson, in that history lesson, or in that science lesson. So just to circle back, using VR in a special education setting would be highly beneficial to students, especially if they're struggling with abstract ideas or if they really just need to be immersed in learning. So hopefully this is a good solution to those of you who have a similar problem with their students. Again, Nearpod is a great option if you have that available to you. If you don't, there's plenty of VR out there, and hopefully this helps you in your classroom.